So I'm going to start this review of CommissionOS with a couple of points. The first is, although I have access to CommissionOS, I haven't actually used it myself, and I've never really done CPA marketing. I know a lot of people have, and a lot of people swear by it because, well, it's a process like affiliate marketing. Well, it is affiliate marketing, but instead of you having to sell something, then you make money from people taking action. So that action could be, they download an app, they enter a list, they take a free trial, they get a free sample, that kind of thing. So it's a little bit different, but some would say it's a lot better because obviously you're not trying to sell anything. You're not promoting anything and then waiting for somebody to purchase a product before you get your affiliate commission. So having said that, I want to take you over to the sales page because this is a great product, but I think the sales page, at least in my opinion, is where some people are going to be confused. And the reason I think this is because I don't know if this is a finished page. And believe me, this is a great product, but I don't know if this will appeal to everybody because to me, the page is kind of written for somebody that already knows what CPA marketing is, or for those that are already doing CPA marketing or interested in doing CPA marketing. Hope that makes sense. And what I mean by that is, the headline straight away is new AI app builds complete $50 to $150 a day CPA campaigns. Now, if you don't know what CPA is, you're not going to know what a CPA campaign is. So, a lot of people will look at this and think, I don't even know what that is, so why am I going to buy that? So I'm going to try to explain it as best I can, and I'm going to show you the dashboard because it is very, very good. So let's quickly go through the sales page. Like I say, I don't know if this is the final. The Papa stuff is always very, very good. He covers everything. And if he says something is so, then it is actually so. So if you've ever tried CPA marketing and failed, well, again, a lot of people are not even going to know what CPA marketing is. That I see as a minor issue. I might be wrong, but there you go. So yeah, you can see that, a lot of people are making a lot of money with CPA. There's 7 reasons most people never earn with CPA. So you can see what I'm getting at here. Everything is about CPA. So it doesn't bridge the gap between typical affiliate marketing, whereas, you're on Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank, and you're promoting a product with a landing page or an email or something like that. And then if somebody buys, you get a commission. So this is different. CPA is different to that. But as I mentioned previously, to some, it's a lot better because you don't actually have to sell anything. So let's leave the sales page alone for a moment. I wanted to show you this because if you are interested in this product, you might get to the sales page and you might think, well, I don't even know what that is. But that is all covered. It's all bridged inside of the dashboard. So this is a dashboard. So you can see up here, CPA Rookie. And if you just scroll down, this is what I suggest you do when you get access to this product. By the way, I don't have any of the upsells. So you can see there are a number of upsells. I have access to the front end, and there is a hell of a lot in the front end. So let's just come down here. So you can see video training, and this is very detailed training. So nothing left to your imagination. You're not looking to fill in any gaps. It's all here. So overview, improve, finding an offer, generating content, following the roadmap, CPA challenge, free traffic, comment and reply generator. Now this is training for everything that's included inside of the dashboard, all included with the front end. So let's come back up. Now let's go here. So yeah, starts with the tutorial, the training. I'd suggest you watch that first, and then the checklist. So this is about setting up your dashboard to work with CPA platforms And what you can do is you can add your API credentials from CPA platforms. Obviously, when you first log in, if you're new, then you probably won't have a CPA account. Now, for anybody interested in this product, it's covered inside of the dashboard anyway, but I've put together a bonus which will help you get approved, because it's slightly different to, just signing up for an affiliate link with, say, JVZoo or Warrior Plus. You do have to go through an approval process, so I put together a bonus for that. So this one here. So that's included if you decide to purchase this product through my link. So setup, find an offer. Again, you're going to need to integrate your CPA network API credentials. You don't have to have multiple, you can just have one. And you can even use this platform if you're not really into CPA, the kind of CPA that I've just mentioned, where you're getting paid to give away free trials or something. You can even use it with platforms that I've already mentioned, like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. So analyze the offer. So what happens is you choose an offer, you pop the details into the analyze section, so offer analyzer here, and it will drill down into that product and tell you basically what you need to do. It will give you a difficulty score, so from easy to difficult, and a competition score. And it will basically tell you what you need to do. It'll create your landing page. So you'll need to integrate your AI credentials, but you can do the whole thing with free AI. So you can use a free account with ChatGPT, for example. So pop your AI credentials in here. It's all covered in here. So you'll know exactly what you need to do, but that will build your landing pages for any offer and then create content. So inside of CommissionOS, there's a software which will link up with Quora and Reddit to drive traffic from those platforms, so free traffic from those platforms, using questions and answers. So all of that can be done from inside of the dashboard. So it's got tracking, roadmap, 7-day action plan. So it tells you exactly what to do on any given day for 7 days, which is a great help if you're new to this, or if you're doing it part-time, for example, or if you're just not sure what you should be doing next. It will keep you going. It builds momentum, if you like. Okay, so those are the basics. Let me just, so tutorials. So you can see everything down here. Connecting offers, finding offers, offer analyzer, landing page builder, content engine, tracking, and setup. So that's all built in as well. So you don't need a third-party source for tracking your links, roadmap, and dashboard. Agency dashboard, CPA networks. So these are the networks that you can integrate into the system. And you can see here, say, Digistore 24. I mean, this isn't a typical CPA platform. So if you don't want to go down the total CPA road, then you can still use traditional or typical affiliate marketing with this dashboard, and it will create everything for you. And again, down here, JVZoo, it's probably got Warrior Plus, yeah. ClickBank, but CPA lead platforms, I think this one is, Demetrius says that this is one of the easiest ones to get into. So CPA lead, you won't have, or you shouldn't have any problem getting account or getting signed up an account with CPA lead. And there are lots of others. So see them down here. You may have some of these accounts already if you've ever had a go at CPA marketing or any kind of affiliate marketing. And then there's some more here. So I guess they get a little bit harder to get approved on as you move down the list. The payouts are probably a little bit bigger as well. But you can see that there are a great deal that you can integrate with the CommissionOS software. Offer Finder, I've got nothing integrated, so I can't actually show you too much here. But when you do have something, or when you do have a CPA or your CPA account integrated, then all the offers will show up here. So if I had CPA lead, CPA lead, if I had that integrated, then all of the offers would show up in my dash here. Same with this one, well, all of them really. There's some curated offers in here. These are in here as soon as you log in, and this is what it will look like. Okay, so offer analyzer. So you put the network in here, offer name, offer URL, so that would be the sales page. Target country, so CPA leads tend to work geographically. So, you might have offers that are working in the US or in the UK or in Europe, that kind of thing. So you would put that in there, and the payout amount, which you'll find from the offer finder. And then you can run a deep analysis and it will tell you basically what you need to do. And then page builder. So you can see it's got Mistral AI, which is free, or ChatGPT, which is also free. I mean, a lot of you will probably have paid accounts, but you don't actually need them. So that will create your page for you, and you can do it in a number of different styles, I think. Yeah, so landing page, so clean, premium, editorial, modern app or app modern. And there's a number of different templates in here as well. So that will create your pages for you. And then content engine. This is what I was talking about a moment ago in terms of free traffic or generating free traffic. It has the software built in. So Reddit and Quora. I don't have this one here. So roadmap, 7-day action plan, CPA challenge. Let's have a look at this. So if you were choosing this option, so you're going to stick with this option for 30 days, then you would just follow these instructions and then use the, where is it? I've lost it now. The content engine is not there. Okay, so free traffic solutions. There are a good number of additional traffic solutions in here. You can see them all here. I've also provided a bonus which provides additional traffic solutions you can use with CommissionOS. And yeah, I think that's it. So all of that is included in the front end. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning, I think the sales page is going to be confusing for some. What I would say is think of CPA as affiliate marketing without actually having to sell anything. So you don't have to wait for somebody to buy something. It's done slightly different. You get paid to give away free trials, if you like, or to give away free samples, or if somebody downloads an app or plays a game or something like that. There are lots and lots of ways you can earn commission without having to sell a single thing. So that's the difference. CPA is about action. When somebody takes action, you get paid instead of having to wait for somebody to buy something. And lastly, I've included 3 CommissionOS bonuses. Each of these bonuses is designed to accompany the product. So designed to accompany CommissionOS, I should say. So the first is Insiders, or the Insider's Guide to CPA Network Approval. As I mentioned before, there is information inside of CommissionOS which will help you get approved. But what you'll find in this bonus is a lot more information, which should make it much easier for you to get approved, even if you're a complete beginner. The second is a scaling formula. So when you find a product which works, this takes it to the next level. So follow the steps in this. It will enable you to scale whatever you find that works inside of CommissionOS. And lastly, Beyond Reddit and Quora. So this is a traffic product. So it's not something that you have to use with CPA. You can use this with absolutely any affiliate method that you want to pursue online, but you'll find 50 evergreen free traffic sources in this bonus. So all of these products, or these 3 products, are all congruent to CommissionOS. You get access to all 3 if you decide to purchase CommissionOS through my link. So either the link underneath this video, or in one of the emails I've sent you, or on social media, or wherever. If you purchase through me, you won't have to contact me. These bonuses will be waiting for you in your purchase area. So once you purchase CommissionOS, just go over to the purchase area to access your product and you'll find the 3 bonuses there. And lastly, thanks for watching my video.